Did somebody say Taco Tuesday? What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another video. And today I got another banger. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the Easy Squad gang. So today we're cooking nachos. First thing you want to do is saute some onions and garlic. Then go on ahead and add your ground beef. I'm adding a pack of taco seasoning and a little salt. Now you don't need another pack of taco seasoning if you're cooking a limited amount of ground beef. I'm cooking a lot, so I'm gonna need 2. Now the first one will be used just to cook down the ground beef. The second one will be used after I strain the fat and all them juices that the ground beef will produce in the pot. I added a little marinara sauce. You don't have to. If you don't have it, just mix it in, guys. Just mix it in. Now I'm adding a cut of Velveeta cheese. It's a little bit hard, but once that ground beef starts cooking, that cheese gonna melt. Now what we're looking for is that brown color. We don't want to see any form of red in the pot. And remember, guys, this is my twist, my take. And also it is an absolutely easy method of cooking nachos. It's coming together, guys. It's coming together. Now, I already drained all the juices, all the fat, all the ground beef. So this is what it looks like afterwards. And at this point, I would go ahead and add another pack of taco seasoning. And when I taste it, if it still needs a little bit more salt, I'll add it. Now, I'll be making layers of tortilla chips on my baking pan. That's right, guys, we're gonna throw it in the oven. So once you got your chips all laid out, go ahead and add some beef to it. Make sure you try to get it as even as possible. Now I'm going to start spreading some cheddar cheese. Even layer as well. Then I'll be adding the Monterey Jack. Can't forget them jalapenos. Next, I'll be adding some black beans. As well as some diced tomatoes. That's it for the first layer. On to the next. Now, you don't have to do more than one layer, but that's a personal choice. One layer, that'll do. But I'm choosing to do 3. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Turn your post notification bell on to become a member of the Easy Does It Squad. What y'all waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button. So as you can see, the meal is coming together. Comment below. Let me know how it looks. A lot of people be eating tacos and nachos on Tuesdays or games night. This is an easy, tasty recipe that you guys could try out. So as I say, Easy Squad, I'll be throwing this in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes.
And of course, this will be served with guacamole as well as sour cream, dips like that for those who want it.
YouTube, that completes another video. Easy Squad Gang, thank you for sticking with me throughout this video. Peace.